Hey guys, so welcome to the lost footage of the installation of the roof on the sunken greenhouse. So this is what happens when you use your old cell phones as extra cameras and you don't remember how many old cell phones you used. So anyway, found this and just wanted to show a couple things. So here they are, just measuring where we're going to put the rafters. Now the thing with that is that the panels, the polycarbonate panels, were 4 by 8, but they each slide into what's called an H channel, and the H channel has a 1/2 inch middle section where you screw it into the rafters. So you have to count for that extra 1/2 inch. So it was measuring 4 feet plus 1/2 inch for those brackets that we're installing right now. And then it was just kind of guesswork, not very mathematical, but just testing it over and over, cutting, measuring, cutting to get the right angle for installing these rafters. Anyway, so enjoy. So finally the day came where we're installing the polycarbonate panels, and here are those channels that I talked about. You have to screw them, drill holes, always drill holes into polycarbonate before you screw it. So my brother is drilling the holes and we are getting those panels ready, making sure that the right side is facing up, and yeah, just sliding them into those channels and then screwing the center down. This is where we ended that for that day, and you'll see or you already saw in one of my other videos how we completed this when the snow had already fallen.